नित्यानन्देश्वरसमारम्भां नित्यानन्देश्वरिमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। इस समय हमारे साथ उपस्थित सभी दर्शकों और भक्तों का मैं प्रेम एवं आशीर्वाद सहित स्वागत करता हूँ। I welcome all of you with my love and respects. I welcome all the devotees, disciples, samajis, satsangis sitting with us through Nityananda TV, Sadhana TV, Lotus News Channel, Ishwar TV and two-way video conferencing in 34 places in 23 countries around the world. Cities sitting with us in two-way video conferencing: Hyderabad, Nityananda Nagaram, Guadalupe Rameshwaram, Toronto Kailasam, Los Angeles Arunachalam, Ohio Prayag, Oklahoma Somanatham, Houston Kalahasti, San Jose Madurai, Kuala Lumpur Palani, Seattle Chidambaram, Charlotte Srisailam, Singapore Singapuram Enriching Temple Bidadi, Atlanta Ujjaini, Bangalore North, Kastav Croatia, Tiruvanmiyur Dhyanapitham, Oman Sivagangai, Colorado Springs USA, Simi Valley California, Grasse France, Dakota Dunes, Hong Kong Sirgari, Adi Nityananda Dhyanapitham Avattipalayam, Kathmandu Nepal, Vancouver Bhubaneswar, Pidadishwari's Training Center Salem, Wellington New Zealand, Bogota Colombia, Warrington UK, St. Louis Tirumala, Paris Kalighat, Dubai Vaidyanatham, New Zealand Adi Arunachalam, Tiruvanmiyur Dhyanapitham, Oman Sivagangai, Kastav Croatia, Hyderabad Guptakashi, New York Varanasi, San Diego Tiruvalavai, Washington DC Sripuram, Dakota Dunes. I welcome all of you for this Kalpataru Nitya Satsang. And before entering into the Satsang, I wanted to take few seconds to express my deep condolences to Jagat Guru Kripal Maharaj's devotees, disciples. Yesterday morning, Jagat Guru Kripal Maharaj attained Mahasamadhi. He left for the divine abode of Goloka, and Maharaj is one of the great pillars of Hinduism. He and his Sangha, his organization, has done so much to Hinduism, unimaginable contribution, and such a humble being. After contributing so much, is a 91-year-old great Jivan Mukta, and me and the Nityananda Sangha offers our respects to Kripal Maharaj and deep condolences to his Sangha and his Sangha members. Today, Nityanandeshwara Brahmotsava, 9th day. So Mahadeva, Nityanandeshwara is gracing in a special floral decoration with Nityanandeshwari having a flower crown. And some more cities are joining, Tucson and East London. And today, Nityananda Hindu Sangha in Malaysia is celebrating Diwali Unity Celebration at Banquet Hall in Malaysia Medical Academy, Kuala Lumpur. Blessings for the program. All the Hindu organizations, ISKCON, Saiva Siddhanta Mantram, Brahma Kumaris, Rudra Samaj, Divine Life Society, Sri Vidya Peetam, all of them have been invited. Blessings. And today, Nityananda Hindu Sangam also is starting a project. They are going to feed 1 lakh people, 100,000 people on Thaipusam. Blessings for the project. It will be successful. It will be successful. And the Bhattu caves, 1 million devotees will gather. Nityananda Hindu Sangam is going to feed 100,000 people. Great. And they also wanted to enrich at least 10,000 people with 4 powers classes. Great. My blessings. This project will be successful. Yes. I'll move to today's satsang. I'll expand on the concept of creating a space today. Please listen. The whole cosmos itself is created when Mahadeva decided to create a space for the universe. Mahadeva, in his pure form, is Shiva. When he created a space for the world to happen, that is Hiranyagarbha. From there, the Shakti radiated and this whole universe happened. Please understand, use exactly the same technique to create what you want in your life. So understand, when you create a space, this is the first thing you face. So complete with that first. Completion with that is the most important thing. And second problem will be, you will trust. Yes, if the space is created, it will become reality. But will I be able to create that space? That is the second doubt. Again, this is also incompletion due to confusion and earlier failures. Please listen. Earlier, whenever you created a space, you were not successful. You never did the whole science properly. Never the science was done beautifully. It is like you telling, no, earlier also I invited many people for my younger brother's marriage, nobody came. This time, how can I expect everyone will come? Now when I am inviting everyone for my younger sister's marriage. Fool, last time in your invitation you did not put the date and time. You give a big lecture, no, you don't know. I picked up, chose a card, I went to the printing press, I gave the model, I looked at the proof, I printed, and I put the address, I sent it to them. I just forgot only one thing, date and time. Then how can they attend? Last time you failed because you missed something vital. So this time, don't miss it, that's all. Please listen. Create the space for what do you want by visualizing it in present. Bringing your past hangover into the present is incompletion. Bringing your future possibility into the present is space. Please listen. Bringing your past hangover into present is incompletion. Bringing your future possibility into the present is space creation. Bring your future possibility into present and decide. You will not challenge the power of the space, but you will take the responsibility to fulfill that space. You always have only these two attitudes. Either you side or oppose. Because you start doubting the power of space, you start opposing. I created the space for 10 crore to come to me. Will it come or what? I'll challenge. Who is ready to take the challenge other side? Nobody. You are challenging the air, empty space, or yourself. God is not coming and standing there telling, oh my son, I am the guarantor for the space creation. Come on, you are throwing a challenge, I'll take the challenge, let us fight. No. He just says tatastu and goes away to carry on with his life. So listen, when you create a space, stop fighting with it. Stop challenging it. Start taking responsibility for it. Start taking responsibility for the space you have created. Listen, ध्यान से सुनिए. Extraordinary enlightenment science is being revealed to all of you in a most simple, possible, practical way. Please pick it up. When you create a space complete with all the incompletions and complete with the doubts which happens in you, the doubt whether you can create the space, doubt whether the space will really become real, complete with all that. And this is the most ultimate, most important and ultimate. Do not fight with the space created. Take responsibility for the space created. If you have created a space, you will be completely healed. You will become healthy. Don't fight with it. Don't challenge. Take responsibility for it. पूरे ब्रह्मांड का निर्माण तभी हुआ जब महादेव जी ने स्वयं के अंतर आकाश में इस ब्रह्मांड की सृष्टि की. तभी शक्ति उस अंतर आकाश से प्रकट हुई और पूरा ब्रह्मांड उस हिरण्यगर्भ से निर्मित हुआ. आपकी चेतना द्वारा ही कुछ भी निर्मित हो सकता है. ठीक उसी तरह जैसे महादेव जी ने इस सृष्टि का निर्माण किया, आप स्वयं भी अपने जगत का निर्माण कर सकते हैं. तक्कान बोरियात और आलास इन तीनों राक्षसों को अपनी सृष्टि के राक्षसों को अपनी सृष्टि के मार्ग में ना आने दीजिए. इनसे पूर्णत्व कीजिए. स्वयं के अतीत के असफलताओं और आत्मसंदेह के कारण स्वयं पर विश्वास ना खोइए. दूसरी बाधा जो आप अनुभव करेंगे, ओह हे स्वयं के अंतर आकाश निर्माण करने की क्षमता पर संदेह. ध्यान से सुनिए. सृष्टि की इस सुंदर ज्ञान को पाइए, उसे जिए. ये समझिए कि आपकी अतीत की असफलता का कारण है कि आपने इस ज्ञान को समझकर उसका उपयोग नहीं किया। इसीलिए आपकी इच्छा वास्तविकता में परिवर्तित नहीं हुई। अब इस पूर्णत्व और अंतर आकाश बनाने का ज्ञान पाइए और इस क्षण उसका उपयोग कीजिए। अपने अतीत को वर्तमान में लाना अपूर्णता है। अपने भविष्य की संभावना को वर्तमान में लाना ही अंतर आकाश बनाना है। आप अंतर आकाश का सृजन कीजिए और उसका उत्तरदायित्व लीजिए, ना कि उस अंतर आकाश को चुनौती दीजिए या उसके साथ युद्ध कीजिए। प्लीज सिट स्ट्रेट, क्लोज योर आईज। Cognize your future possibility as present reality. Create a space for what you want. Pick up one desire, one thing you want to make it as reality, and create a space for it. Complete with all the self-doubts you have. Complete with all the doubts whether you can create the space or not you have. Complete with all that. सीधी तरह बैठ जाइए, आंख बंद कीजिए, अपनी कोई एक इच्छा को लीजिए जिसे आप पूर्ण करना चाहते हैं और उसको पूर्ण करने की सही अंतर आकाश को आप निर्माण कीजिए। अपनी इच्छा पूर्ति के मार्ग में उपस्थित सभी आत्मसंदेह और नकारात्मक सोच विचार और भावनाओं के साथ पूर्णत्व लाइए और सही अंतर आकाश का निर्माण कीजिए जिससे आपकी इच्छा अपूर्ण हो जाए। After completing with all your self-doubts and creating the right space, declare that now you will take the responsibility for making the space into reality. Complete with all the incompletions you have about responsibility. सही अंतर आकाश का निर्माण करने के बाद एक घोषणा कीजिए कि अब आप इस इच्छा पूर्ति का पूर्ण उत्तरदायित्व लेंगे। घोषणा कीजिए कि आप आपकी इस नई अंतर आकाश को वास्तविकता में परिवर्तित करने की उत्तरदायित्व लेंगे। Sit with a decision to make the inner space into reality with a deep feeling of responsible. Stop fighting or challenging with the inner space you create. Instead, support and take the responsibility for the inner space you created. आपकी इस नई अंतर आकाश को तिरस्कार करना, उसका विरोध करना और उससे युद्ध करना छोड़ दीजिए और उसे वास्तविकता में परिवर्तित करने के लिए उत्तरदायित्व लीजिए। bless you all with integrity, authenticity, responsibility and enriching. Let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate, share and explode in eternal bliss. Nityananda.
Nityananda Dhyanapitham, Nityananda Nagar, off Mysore Road, Bidadi, Bengaluru. Phone 08027279999. www.nityananda.org. www.youtube.com/Life Bliss Foundation.